Hi Adam, it's Keisha. I hope you've had a great week. I just finished reading your writing piece. I thought you did a really nice job. Um, I highlighted a few things that stood out in your text. Your writing piece on the authentic writing is really good. I like how you use concrete details and examples. Um, I also like the choice of engaging verbs and adjective choice that you use. Um, I love the analogy that you used, highlighted here in yellow. Questions left unanswered today remain the questions of tomorrow. Um, I thought that was really powerful. Also, like your right here, your questions that you put in here. I highlighted in pink. Um, what if students say things that are incorrect or offensive to other students? And or maybe my students are too young to really write a newspaper. Um, I can really relate to this. Um, when I was in high school, I wrote an article for the school newspaper, and although I was very shy and normally would not voice my opinion about anything, I did write an article for the school newspaper, and I almost got suspended. Although I did not see anything wrong with the piece, my parents were called in and I had to write an apology letter in the school newspaper for anyone that may have been offended. Um, I really wish I had just took the 3-day suspension because I still do not know who I offended or if it was just maybe the fear of the fact that the school thought it was offensive. But I can see how this would be very important. Um, and I think if someone had sat me down and explained to me what was wrong with my writing piece at the time, that I may have had a better understanding of why I was being punished for something that I felt passionate about. Also, in green, I've highlighted some words that are engaging, some good word choices here. Embrace authenticity, hungering for authenticity, and thirsting for assignments. Um, I would call those juicy words. That's what I tell my students that when they use strong verbs and adjectives, that they're using really juicy words, and that you did a really good job there. In purple, I've highlighted this sentence. Become a facilitator of the debate and not the writing expert. I thought that was a really good sentence. Um, I think it's really important to facilitate students rather than to just tell them what's wrong or what or to agree or not to agree. I think that is very important as a teacher. Um, Here in gray, I've highlighted authentic writing is both effective and personal, both persuasive and passionate. I think that really explains what your piece is about. Um, it defines what authentic writing is supposed to look like. It's supposed to be effective and personal, and if I feel that if it's personal, um, that it can be effective and you can persuade others. passionate about. I've also highlighted here in your EndNotes that it says that they have noticed that many students are excited to write authentic writing pieces. While teachers tend to be more hesitant in assigning real-world writing assignments, many times these writing assignments are beneficial to students in helping them discover their authentic voice. I strongly believe that. I know during undergrad, some assignments that were assigned to me in writing class had to do with real world experiences, and they were very beneficial to me, and it did help me authenticate my voice. Um, and right here I've highlighted that it is related to the Common Core standards. Um, and this is so true, especially with today's students. They're writing in such a socially um, mediated world, and they're constantly using blogs and videos, and social media, and wikis, and which is something that I'm still trying to get the hang of myself. Adam, thanks so much for allowing me to read your writing piece. Um, I really think that you covered all your points in your author's agenda. I hope you were able to understand me during my video. I have been sick, and so my voice is not very strong right now. And I hope you have a wonderful week, and I can't wait to see your next article.